Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Fauzi Awaludin. My student number ID 22180383. I am student at the Bina Sarana Informatika University, Department of Business Administration, program study Diploma 3 Administration Business. In this opportunity, I will share about the history of money and the tourist attraction of Bromo Tengger Semeru National Park. Okay, money is an object that is a very important and used in all lines. Everything but goods and service must be purchased with money. In history, the emergence of currency which has a function as a means of exchange is form of response to the emergence of obstacles or constraints in the application of the barter system society. Where at that time the exchange of goods for other goods directly without using means of exchange was deemed less effective in its implementation because it required labor and a long time in the process. The appearance of the first money in human civilization is still debated because there are several versions. For example, supporting the opinion that money was first created and used by the people of the kingdom of Lydia. The Lydians are thought to have lived in what is now Turkey. Money at this time was said to have been in the form of coin with the image for a roaring lion. Rutherford believed that the Lydians have been familiar with money and used it as a medium of exchange since about the year 1000 before Masehi. And Donald B. Klein has a different version in the book Rationality and Human Behavior. He mentioned the coins were first discovered 6,000 years ago in what is now Turkey. However, Klein did not call the legends as Rutherford believed. Over time, money was made from paper. Some historians believe paper money came into use in China in the 100th Masehi. Centuries ago, European nations only recognized this type of money even after Marco Polo returned from China. According to economics, money has two functions. The first function is the original function, where money as medium of exchange in order to make it easier for use to get an item. Money as a measuring tool is able to determine the value of an item. And the second function is the derivative function. The first, money as a mean of payment is different from money as a medium of exchange. The point here is when money is paid out without being exchanged for any goods or service. For example, paying taxes. Money is indicator or of price has different values. Money as a means of paying debt is used to pay off debt and receivable. Money as a means of accumulating wealth. Money by region. Number one, local money is only valid in one particular country. Number two, region money applies in a wider area than local currency. For example, the euro currency can be used for several countries in continental Europe, such as Germany, Spain, Austria, and others. Number three, international money applies throughout the world as a standard of payment, for example, US dollar. Okay, that is a glimpse of money. And now for those of you who likes to travel, of course you are familiar with the Bromo Tengger Semeru National Park. This mountain has a height of 2,329 mdpl and is located in 4 districts, namely Probolinggo Regens, Pasuruan Regens, Lumajang Regens, and Malang Regens. Bromo Tengger Semeru National Park, which is a tourist destination that has become the choice of many domestic and international tourists. Waiting for the sun to rise is one of the beauty that tourists often await. The combination of yellow, orange, black, and blue colors produced by this natural phenomenon is really an interesting sight that is present to all as who see it. Of course, in the midst of the current pandemic, all activities, including traveling, are limited, including the Bromo Tengger Semeru National Park tourist attraction. There are several things that need to be considered if we want to be visit there during a pandemic. Number one, buy ticket online. Tourists can only buy entrance ticket online via the booking.bromo.tenggersemeru.org site. And number two, bring a health certificate because visiting or traveling to the Bromo Tengger Semeru National Park area, visitor must be in good health. They also have to show a health certificate from a doctor first. And number three, there is an age limit for visitors. Tourists who are allowed to visit and tour the Bromo Tengger Semeru National Park are only 10 to 60 years old. Number four, must take body temperature. When entering the Bromo Tengger Semeru National Park area, visitors are required to go through the temperature checks procedure with an inspection distance of 5 minutes. If it has been checked twice and the body temperature remains more than 37.30 degrees Celsius, tourists are not allowed to enter. Number five, must wear masks and gloves. While in the Bromo Tengger Semeru National Park, tourists are required to wear masks and gloves. Number six, must bring hand sanitizer or liquid soap. Bromo Tengger Semeru National Park has indeed provided hand washing station at several tourist points at the entrance even so tourists are required to bring hand sanitizer or liquid soap respectively to wash their hands. Number seven, use personal equipment. Bromo Tengger Semeru National Park requires prospective visitor to use personal equipment for various purposes such as eating, drinking, worship utensil, and others. Number 8, keep your distance during their stay in the Bromo Tengger Semeru National Park. Tourists are required to apply rules of guarding distance from other visitors. Not only that, they are also prohibited from gathering and always being in order. Number 9, maintain ethical coughs and sneezes. When visiting, tourists must maintain the etiquette of coughing and sneezing by covering the mouth and nose using a tissue mask or with the elbow. Number 10, quota for visit in tourist area. Bromo Tengger Semeru National Park applies a visit quota which is limited to 5 tourist seats. For the Hill of Love seat, the quota is only 42 people one day. Will the seat Pananjakan 250 people one day. The seat Hill Kedalu 129 people one day. The Savannah Teletubbies seat 609 and 4 people one day, and the Michigan site 150 people one day. For tickets purchased, one ticket is only valid for one tourist site. Namely, the Sunrise Viewpoint site, the Sand Sea site, and the Savannah site. And number 11, prohibit from going to Bromo Creek. Based on the recommendation of Semerawang, tourists are prohibited from visiting Bromo Crater. The safe radius limit is 1 kilometer from the crater. 12, must bring down the trash in order to keep public facilities clean. Tourists must comply with the rules for bringing the trash bag down. Some public places such as prayer rooms, toilets, parking lots, and other must be kept clean from rubbish. 13, maximum vehicle limit. Bromo Tengger Semeru National Park limit the number of passengers in vehicle or transportation service to a maximum of 50% of capacity. For those using a jeep, the capacity is only allowed for 1 driver and 3 passengers. Okay, that is I can give up. I hope it is useful. Thank you for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.